Hi, I'm Joe from Ledlenser, and today I'd like to introduce you to our Worklights and Floodlights of the I series. They are ideal for various demanding work scenarios, and what really makes them stand out is their high quality and their multi-functionality. All products in the range are rechargeable with a built-in lithium-ion rechargeable battery with over 1,000 charging cycles. They all have a battery status and charge indicator shown in 5 LEDs. All products in the range have an integrated magnet so that the lights can be easily mounted on metal surfaces. The Worklights have a COB LED as a floodlight source for broad illumination, as well as a spotlight source for concentrated light. The spotlight uses the high-quality lens typical of Ledlenser, which makes the Worklight stand out from the competition. Let's start with the small and compact Worklight, the IW4R. You can easily take the IW4R with you in your pocket, for example. The flexible bracket with built-in magnet gives you many options for positioning your light. The Flood gives you 150 lumens in power mode, and the Spot provides 75 lumens. The IW5R Flex has a flexible folding slim lamp head for illuminating tiny spaces. It also has a built-in magnet, and in addition, a metal hook can be flipped out for even more mounting options. It's very powerful with 600 lumens in power mode for the Flood and 100 lumens for the Spot. A good thing to know is the Spot can also be used when the lamp head is clipped in. Thanks to its metal-coated plastic housing, the IW5R is very robust. Both Flood and Spot provide up to 300 lumens. The IW7R is the IW5R's big brother. It comes with a charging station that can also be used in combination with our 5-station charging panel. In Flood, it has up to 600 lumens, whereas the Spot delivers 300 lumens. The IF4R and the IF8R are both floodlights with durable aluminium housing and are extremely bright. The IF4R shines with up to 2,500 lumens, but can be dimmed down in 5 steps to 200 lumens to extend the runtime to 15 hours. The IF8R has up to 4,500 lumens. With 400 lumens, it has a runtime of 12 hours. Both lights can be carried by the handle, and thanks to the built-in magnet and the flexible base, they can stand on the ground or be mounted on metal surfaces. In addition, both lights have an integrated power bank function. The IF8R has another highlight. Its brightness can be adjusted via the Ledlenser Pro Connect app. Using it with the app removes the struggle of operating your light when it's out of reach, for example, on a ladder. Well, that was a short overview about our Worklights and Floodlights for true professionals. All products in the series, like all Ledlenser products, are backed by our industry-leading 7-year warranty when registered. To see these and all of our other lighting solutions, please visit our website.